Are you tired of struggling to delete slides in Google Slides? You know the feeling. You're trying to clean up a presentation, you click around frantically, and half the time you end up deleting the wrong slide or you just can't even find the option. It is so frustrating. But here's the good news. Learn the simple, foolproof method to remove any slide instantly. No more accidents, no more guesswork. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to delete a slide, from opening your presentation to confirming the removal. We're going to make this so easy that you'll wonder why you ever stressed about it in the first place. So let's start with the first step, opening your presentation. Now, this part is simple, but I want to make sure we're all on the same page, because where you start can sometimes trip people up. Head over to Google Slides in your browser and open the specific presentation that has the slide you want to get rid of. If you have a lot of presentations, you can usually find the one you need right there on your main slides homepage. Just click on it and give it a moment to fully load. You want to see all your slides in that panel on the left-hand side before you do anything else. This is key because you need a clear view of everything you're working with. All right, now that your presentation is open, let's move on to the next part. You need to select the slide you want to remove. Take a look at that panel on the left. That's your slide sorter. It shows every single slide in your presentation in order. Scroll through it until you see the one you want to delete. Maybe it's a blank slide at the end, or an old draft that just doesn't fit anymore. When you find it, click on it once. You'll see it get highlighted with a box around it. That's how you know it's selected. This is a really important step, because if you don't select the right one, you'll end up deleting something you actually want to keep. So just take that one extra second to double check. Now that you have the slide selected, we're going to bring up the delete option. So right-click on the selected slide. On a Mac, if you don't have a 2-button mouse, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then click. Either way, this brings up a little menu. And right there, you should see a ton of different options for what you can do with that slide. From that menu, you're going to want to click Delete. It's usually near the bottom of the list. But here's a really useful tip from what I've seen work best in a lot of productivity workflows. You don't actually have to use the mouse at all for this. If you want to move faster, there's a keyboard shortcut. Just make sure your slide is selected and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. It is that quick. One tap and it's gone. So whether you click it or use the key, the result is the same. And just like that, the slide is permanently removed from your presentation. You'll see it vanish from that panel on the left, and the remaining slides will shift up to close the gap. Now, a quick word of caution here. Google Slides does not have a trash or a recycle bin like your computer's desktop folder might. So once you delete that slide, it's gone. There's no easy undo button that will bring it back after you close the presentation. So before you hit that delete button or key, make absolutely sure you don't need that slide anymore. If you're working on a longer presentation and you need to get rid of more than one slide, just repeat the whole process. Select the next slide you want to remove, right-click, and select Delete, or just hit the Delete key on your keyboard again. You can fly through this and clean up your entire presentation in just a few seconds. I've seen people save so much time by just learning this one simple sequence. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from being stuck with unwanted slides cluttering up your presentation to being able to confidently and quickly delete any slide in seconds. It's one of those small skills that makes a huge difference in how smooth and professional your work feels. Now, go ahead and clean up that presentation with total confidence.